Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you where the engine compartment fuse box is. So it's on the driver's side fender well. It's marked relays and fuses, and you'll have two tabs, one here in the front and one in the back. Just push in on those tabs, lift up on the cover, and inside here is actual description of what each fuse and relay does. You have the tool right here that takes the actual fuses out. They give you a few spares. So this is the alternator, the 7.5. Car's not running, so this won't do any problems. So you push this plastic tab right in on top of that fuse, squeeze and pull up. These are the new style extra mini fuses. Only kind of advice I can give you is that they make a lot of these all around the world. And the cheaper ones, if the color of the numbers is not white, do not buy them. I've had run into them with electrical issues and the fuses short out. It's not worth the pennies. There was actually a huge write-up about it. So to install it, you just line up those two tabs and just push it right down. Reinstall the tool, and then to put the cover back on, line up and push it down till it clicks.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.